If you've ever wondered how to access transitions in CapCut on PC, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Transitions are one of the easiest ways to make your edits feel smoother, more polished, and more professional, especially when you're moving between clips in a video project. Whether you're creating a YouTube video, a short form edit, or just learning the basics of CapCut, knowing where to find transitions will save you time and make your workflow much easier. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut launches, you'll want to open the project you're working on. If you already have a project in progress, simply click on it from your recent projects or open it from your saved files. This is important because transitions are added inside the editing workspace, not from the home screen. After your project is open, look at the top menu area of the CapCut interface. This is where you'll find several editing tools and options for your timeline. Now click on Transitions. Once you select it, CapCut will show you the available transition effects you can use between clips. From there, you can browse through different styles and choose the one that fits your video best. If you want to apply a transition, you usually need to place it between two clips on the timeline. So after clicking Transitions, pick the effect you want, then drag it to the cut between your clips. CapCut will automatically apply it, and you can preview the result right away. If needed, you can adjust the duration or try a different transition until it looks just right. And that's it. That's how to access transitions in CapCut on PC. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you can start making your edits feel much more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.